Hey girl, hey. Do you see this cuteness in your screen? This is mine, okay? Do you love your handbags and all of the ultra girly things? If you do, you didn't hit the right video, okay? So let's jump into it. I did change my key charms and accessories. I changed it up just a smidge. So if you see my last video, I used this as a bag charm for my Juicy Couture bag. Now, honey, I've taken that same piece and I have her on my keys. It's giving me everything that I want to receive. If you're familiar with my channel, you will know that I love this bag down, okay? When I say down, I mean down, 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 girl, okay? So she is not. I want to hear a funny story in the middle of this what's in my bag. Have you ever had that bag that you got at whatever particular time, right? And when you first got it, you was like, I don't know. I don't think I really like that. That is how I felt about this bag. Me and my girl, Miss Toya, we were talking about this bag. And she said, of course, she loves the color, but she was definitely on the fence of getting this bag. Girl, I got this bag. When I first saw it, I still was shaky and nervous about it. But you want to hear the funny part? This is my absolute favorite bag from Marc Jacobs now. Now, isn't that ironic? But in any event, let's jump into what I have going on. Now, as you can see, this is not a really big bag. So for me, it is about what I need today. I'm not worried about tomorrow. I'm not worried about anything else, but it's about what I need today. So I have these little Tic Tacs, and girl, these are strawberry Tic Tacs. When I say they are delicioso, I mean that. So we have this little piece. You have seen this a time or two on my channel. And girl, you know what she is. She is one of them be quiet, don't tell nobody's. All right, so I have my coins, some active real live coins in here, and some dollar bills. These are just my singles. I need singles. You know, if you have teens or children, you need singles. Because when they ask me for $1 or $2, that's all they're going to get. So next in here, if you haven't seen this little thing, this is my purse Kindle. She is an entire vibe. I am an avid reader, and that girl is making my reading be even more fun. Okay, so next, what do we have next? I have this is pins. You cannot go wrong with having these because you see how slim and slender this is. I love this case. I got this idea because I didn't know anything about these from the Novel Crown guys, and she got these from, I believe, Amazon. So if you want to know, go check them out. Now we have that keep your breath fresh always. What girl, what young lady, what woman walks around without gum or something to freshen your breath? It's a must. So we have this in here. This is a new piece for me. And for $1.25, baby, I will keep my cuticles hydrated with this. I have this little pouch that I got from Daiso. And it just has It has the lip products that I'm choosing to use for today. That is going to be another Dollar Tree find. This little lip situation. Love NYX. And I have this rollerball Delina that came from a local beauty supply. If you love Delina, the fragrance, the original authentic fragrance, for this to be some type of replica, some type of dupe of the scent, it's really good. So I will, this is my first roll-on of it. I will be going back to that local beauty supply store. And girl, you know I'm going to be disrespectful because they're $5. I'm going to buy all that I see, period. I have this as my card case. We just have the butterfly on here. My Costco card, my Panera Bread, and 2 more cards. And I have that little $20 bill action inside. I believe in carrying some form of cash. I don't have to have, I don't have to have the whole paycheck, but I need to have some form of cash on me. I also have some chewing gum. I have this mini MAC lip gloss, clear glass. I love this. I love MAC's clear glass lip gloss. I know there's a lot of people that do not like the thick, kind of sticky lip gloss, but girl, unfortunately, I do. I love it. This is hands down my favorite makeup. You hear me? I said makeup. My favorite medicine holder. This is my favorite one. All right, so we have the wipes. Now, as you can see, because of this bag, the wipes they are not in any pack or anything like that because the space is premium in this bag. So, if you get it, you get it. For me, right now, this is working. There is not another thing that I don't know about you, girl, personally, that I would need. We have a pen to write, to sign, anything. I have my phone on my person. I have my keys. And we have the lip situations. I have my medicine, my placards, my change, and girl, my wipes when I go into the bathroom. And look, I'm good for today. So if you was here for this video, give it a little thumbs up, a little like you like. That way the algorithm knows that you like your girl's content. Because ooh, somebody outside with a motorcycle. Does anybody else ride? Because I don't. I do not. But when the weather breaks, everybody comes out, honey. So until the next time, bye for now.